Is cutting your grass too short a bad idea? Yes, and it's one of the fastest ways to ruin your lawn. This mistake is called scalping, and a lot of people do it without even realizing it. When you cut your grass too short, you remove too much of the blade. That weakens the plant. Grass needs its blade to absorb sunlight and produce energy. Without that, it struggles to grow back. But that's not all. Short grass also exposes the soil. That means more heat, faster drying, and more stress for your lawn. And here is something most people don't know. Scalping actually helps weeds, because when grass is weak, weeds take over the empty space. So what should you do instead? Follow the 1/3 rule. Never cut more than 1/3 of the grass height at once. If your lawn is tall, reduce it gradually over a few mowings. Also, adjust your mower height. Most lawns do best when grass is kept slightly longer. It shades the soil, retains moisture, and protects the roots. And finally, keep your blades sharp. Dull blades tear the grass instead of cutting it cleanly, which can also lead to yellow or damaged tips. So, is cutting grass too short bad? Absolutely. But once you fix your mowing habits, your lawn will quickly become thicker, greener, and healthier. Subscribe for more simple lawn care tips and turn your grass into something exceptional.